Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be looking at two dash cams that promise to capture every detail of your drive. On the left, we have the RedTiger dash cam, and on the right, we have the E-YEEGER dash cam Wi-Fi 2.5K 1440p front dash camera. Get ready for some epic footage. Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam, video quality. The RedTiger dash cam boasts an impressive 4K plus 1080p dual recording capability, capturing every detail on the road. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam offers a slightly lower resolution at 2.5K 1440p. Now let's talk about night vision. Both dash cams claim to excel in low-light conditions, but the RedTiger dash cam takes it up a notch with its excellent optical lens and HDR, WDR technology. It ensures clear footage even in the darkest of nights. Moving on to connectivity, both dash cams offer Wi-Fi and app control. You can easily view, playback, and manage your recordings on your smartphone. However, the RedTiger dash cam's app, aptly named RedTiger, has an edge with its user-friendly interface and additional features like video editing. Now let's talk about GPS and additional features. The RedTiger dash cam comes equipped with built-in GPS, allowing you to track your driving route, speed, and location. It also offers a 24-hour parking monitor with time-lapse function. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam does not have built-in GPS and lacks the 24-hour parking monitor. The RedTiger dash cam is highly recommended for its superior video quality, night vision, and additional features like GPS and the 24-hour parking monitor. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER dash cam offers good video quality, night vision, and connectivity options. That's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons that will help you buy smart. Until next time, happy driving!